Okay guys, this is Jonamas again signing in YouTube. As usual, another tutorial, another Unomas tutorial, fast and easy. Okay, today guys I want to show you another tutorial. Okay guys, and the title of my tutorial is this Unomas tutorial, how to make a 27mail.com fast and easy. Okay guys, take notice. Unomas tutorial, how to make a 27mail fast and easy. So guys, again I don't want to keep this so long, so let's start. Okay, so what you must do is copy paste the link right there. Okay, you must copy paste the link right there. Yeah, yeah, copy paste the link. You must copy paste the link. Here I want to show you. Okay, just wait guys. Okay, you must copy paste this link. Okay, okay guys, here showing it here. Okay, all of it. Here, copy paste this one. Okay, copy paste it. Make big font, maybe 14. Here, copy paste that. And then after you copy, you must paste it in your browser. So okay, here, copy paste it in there and enter. You will end up in a page sign up of y7mail.com. Okay guys, just bear with me. Here, see, first thing you must do is change this at yahoo.com to y7mail.com. Okay, then type in the name, which is any letter. Okay, it's not important anyway. Surname, the gender, the day, the month, the year, and the ID. I will type in Brontes. Okay, the password of this ID, I will give this is the password of this ID. Okay, the password is 1A 2 3 4 5 55 5 base then 55 5 base 1 2 3 4 5 then 55. Okay, it's the password. It's the password of the bots. Okay, and then okay, there's the password of the bots. Then select questions. Okay. Select the questions, then second one. Okay. See, then type in the captcha. Okay. Type in the captcha. Then create, enter. Okay, create, enter. After that, done. You have a Y7 mail ID. Copy paste it. Let's copy this one. Exit. Okay. Then let's try to sign this one. Okay. The password is 5H12345 then 55. Remember the password, guys. I'm giving this to you for free. And that's all. Okay, guys, this is Unamas, a fast and easy tutorial. So I'm signing out. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, guys. Thank you.